Guess what? You're supposed to say what?
What?
We made it. We're on the Carnival Sunshine. I was getting mixed up. Sunshine. This is our room. I haven't looked at anything really yet. We just got on the ship. It's 2 o'clock right now. We've been out here for about an hour. We already hit the buffet. We gotta get a guy's burger in a little while. But my room was ready as soon as we got on the ship. We don't have to wait. Our luggage isn't here, but room's ready. So, here it is. Come on over. We have our nice bed here. Oh gosh. There's only one nightstand. Got our nice TV, fridge, cabinet.
What's in our fridge?
Probably nothing. How do you open it? There we go. Oh, nothing in there. Which is good. Gotta have room for my soda. Okay, we got a hair dryer in here. If you need a hair dryer. Nice drawers. And some shelves. What's this light do? The mirror lights up. I love that. Okay. Ooh, nice closet. Let's see how big it is. Not too big. Oh, there's 2 of them though, so it's okay. And oh, it's dark in there. We got our safe in here. I had to pause. I had to knock at the door. So, where were we? Did you show them the safe?
Yep.
Okay.
We're in the bathroom.
Okay, cool. So, this bathroom is pretty nice. So I'm okay with it. Sometimes they're kind of small, which it is small, I guess. But the shower on this ship looks pretty good. You got your standard blue Carnival sink, soap, little cup for swishing your mouthwash. And if you want to step in here, well, I'll trade you, I guess. Go check out the size of the shower. Okay. See? It's pretty big, huh?
Yep.
I'd
Go
say.
ahead. Why don't you get in there and show us?
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, this is a good sized shower. Normally, I guess
It's a circle shower.
do they normally have curtains or glass?
It just
I
depends.
guess it just depends on the ship. But we've got a curtain in here, and yeah, it's like this big maybe, and that's it. But this one's got lots of room. You could almost have a bathtub in here, really.
Wow.
So, ooh, okay. All right, so what else? We got our little nightstand. Anything in it? No. And lights by the bed. I always love those light switches next to the bed. And I guess that's it. Right? Did I
Yep.
forget anything? So,
TV.
yeah, we got our TV. We're about to do our muster station. We set sail in an hour and 45 minutes. So we're gonna go get that done, walk around a little, and probably get a guy's burger. So made it up to deck. What is this? 10, 11, something like that. And we're just looking around Charleston. We have the nice bridge over here. We have a cool battleship, the USS Yorktown. Can you see it? Oh, it looks kind of small on there. Yeah, real cool ship. And there's a nice bridge. And then we have a bunch of sailboats. I don't know what for, but there's a ton of them.
Sail away party.
Can I get the Carnival melting chocolate cake?
And would you like something from the bar tonight?
No, thank you.
No? Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. I got the brisket. It comes with garlic, mashed potatoes, and vegetables. What'd you get?
I got medium rare steak, some mashed potatoes, and broccoli. What do you got going on over there?
Medium rare steak and some potatoes.
Go ahead and cut it open for us.
It's not bad.
So, good morning. This is the next day. We're at today brunch. And we're about to start eating. We already put in our order. Here it is, actually.
You got the half burger, yeah?
Yep,
Thank you.
How's it look?
What is it? Good.
I think it might be an onion, right?
I think so.
Pretty big burger. So yeah, I have a croissant. What is yours called? A vanilla what?
Cream cheese.
Vanilla cream cheese pastry of some kind. And what's yours? Apple cinnamon. You got an apple cinnamon pastry. A parfait. Parfait looks good.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you. Okay, and we got steak and eggs. And we also added some bacon. Looks pretty
How's it
good.
look?
Looks yummy. Well, it's, what, 3 hours later. We're now at the pasta place. This is my order. I'm gonna get some Alfredo with chicken. Breakfast this morning was probably the last clip that you saw, the brunch. And for some reason today, it was just okay. I don't think it was filet mignon. What kind do you think that was?
I guess from last night.
Yeah, it was like a flat steak or something. It wasn't filet mignon like normal. And my eggs were not cooked the way I wanted. But
And they didn't offer us any coffee.
yeah, they didn't offer coffee.
Or orange juice.
Or anything like that, yeah. I guess we could have asked, but. And I think he may have refilled our water like one time. So it was just okay today. It's usually really nice, the brunch, but it's just okay. So now we're gonna do pasta and hopefully it's good. Made it.
What do you got? So you got a half portion?
Yeah, this is supposed to be a half portion of chicken Alfredo with spinach.
Go ahead and give it a mix.
Oops, hot.
Alright, let's see what I got.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, so I got some pasta with some garlic shrimp. I got a full portion, even though it's the same size as yours. So,
You didn't get any veggie mixes?
no, I didn't even see that.
No, it's good stuff.
Perfect.
Olive Garden? I don't know about that. We'll see.
I want some of that bread. I just got done with, we both just got done. She went back and got seconds.
Okay, you're trying to put something on me? That's not true. This is my first goal. You just are a vacuum cleaner.
Good afternoon.
Hello. Evening now. 6 o'clock.
Alright, you're the only one out here.
Everybody's gone. I went inside to get ready for dinner. formal night tonight, so everything's inside.
So where are we sitting at?
This is the Serenity area, adults only. It's the first time we sat up here. Pretty nice. I like these chairs, real comfy.
And a little bit quieter.
Yeah, away from that loud music down there.
How are you doing over there, Joseph?
Good, how are you?
Are you sleeping?
Dozing off.
How about you go jump in that pool? Hello.
Hi.
Oh, so tonight's elegant night?
Yep. It's fancy night tonight, so I brought my fanciest dress. And I don't know what shoes I'm doing yet. Maybe black sparkly. We'll see. First I gotta figure out my hair. See my sunburn from today already?
What do you think you're gonna order?
I don't know. What do you think they're gonna have? Oh, are they gonna have filet mignon?
No.
Why? It's formal night.
Oh, maybe.
I think that's what they have. So if that's the case, I'm gonna order that. And hopefully it's better than this morning. Because that was a letdown.
Alright, I'll see you at dinner. What are you looking at? What'd you get the appetizer, Joseph?
Shrimp and chocolate.
What is that?
This is, what is it called? Blackened pork tart. I've had it before. It's not bad. It's a little dry last
And I
time I
got
had it.
fried oysters.
Yeah, fried oysters. Cut one open. See how it looks in there. Can I cut it open?
Yep.
No? Ooh, I don't want to do that. It's squirting everywhere.
What you got?
I got steak, potato, okay, and vegetables. Look at the size of that carrot. It's humongous. Are you gonna eat
And I
this?
got the same.
Can I have that?
Sure.
That cauliflower.
And what'd you get? Some spaghetti?
Spaghetti with some bacon bits. I really hope I don't spell it.
Put your...
At least it's not red sauce. I thought it was red.
Yeah, that's what I thought it was too.